Hi, my name is Victoria. If you want to learn about the gender of Russian nouns, stay with me. There are 3 genders in Russian: masculine, feminine, and neuter. In order to define the gender of a Russian noun, you need to look at the final letter. Any consonant tells you that it's masculine gender. For example, дом, хлеб, магазин, студент. All these nouns end with different consonants, and they are masculine. Another ending, "ю", is also masculine. Чай, трамвай, урожай, случай, masculine. Some nouns that end with "a" and "ya" that denote people are masculine, just because these people are men. Мужчина, a man. Дядя, an uncle. Papa, dad, masculine nouns. And there is a small group of nouns with the soft sign at the end that are masculine. For example, день, day, дождь, rain, путь, way, masculine nouns. Now let's take a look at the feminine gender. Endings "a" and "я" tell you that it's feminine. Книга, улица, "a" ending, feminine. Земля, станция, "я" ending, feminine. And there is a big group of nouns that end with a soft sign. They are feminine. Лень, тень, площадь, дверь, ночь, помощь, мышь, речь, вещь. These are feminine nouns. Neuter gender. Endings "о" and "е" tell you that it's neuter. Окно, слово, место, письмо. These are neuter nouns. Please remember that letter "о" in the unstressed position is reduced and pronounced as "a", but that doesn't change the gender. "о" is neuter. Ending "е". Платье, счастье, море, знание, neuter gender. And another ending "ё" is also neuter. Ружье, белье, сырье, острие, neuter nouns. There are a few words that end with "мя", and they are neuter. I would recommend you to learn just several. For example, время, time, имя, name. They are high-frequency words. They can be useful. In this slide you see an exercise, so you can practice what you have learned. Let's try to define the gender of these nouns. Квартира, "a" ending, feminine. Врач, consonant ending, masculine. Буря, "я" ending, feminine. Журнал, masculine, and so on. You can pause this video and try to define the gender of these nouns yourself. I hope you find this video useful. Bye for now and see you in the next video. Пока-пока.